In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Google Drive storage effectively, especially if you're dealing with WhatsApp backups. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account associated with WhatsApp. This might be a different account if you have multiple, so take a moment to ensure you're using the correct one. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side of the Google Drive interface, you'll notice a menu. From there, you'll want to click on Storage. This section will show you how much space you've used versus how much you have in total. Keeping an eye on this can give you a good sense of how urgent it might be to clean up some space. If you find that your storage is either full or very close to being full, Google Drive provides a helpful way to clean things up. There's an option called Clean Up Space, and clicking on this will allow you to review and remove files that you might no longer need or are simply outdated. Take some time to go through these files carefully. Removing old files can help free up essential space, especially if your storage is being used significantly by items you no longer require. Once you've managed your storage, the next action is to back up your data. You'll want to click on the backup section. Here, your goal is to specifically look out for a WhatsApp backup. Why, you might wonder? Well, sometimes backups can be stuck or become particularly old, thus taking up unnecessary space. If you identify any such backup, perhaps it's one that hasn't been updated in ages, you'll need to make a decision. You can opt to delete all the data associated with it, but take heed, this action will permanently remove that backup. So be absolutely certain that it's something you want to do before you proceed. If you followed these steps and freed up considerable space by deleting an outdated backup, you'll have completed the Google Drive preparations. To continue with managing your WhatsApp backups, I recommend next that you clear your browser cache or perhaps even open an incognito or private browsing window before signing into Google Drive again. This can help ensure that all the changes you've made take effect without any cached data getting in the way. When you're ready to proceed, you can move to your phone to trigger a new WhatsApp backup. Bear in mind that we didn't include those phone steps here, but rest assured, once you've completed the Google Drive side, you'll be ready to ensure your WhatsApp data is safely stored without taking up unnecessary space. Thank you for following along and happy organizing.